IPCC, which is the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, is a scientific body formed under the auspices of the United Nations, and it is the international body for assessment of climate change. That body does assessment and issues report on the assessment of climate risks and how it's impacting. In their fifth report, the IPCC's fifth assessment report, they make some conclusions which are quite insightful, and it is important that we take note of those conclusions. So the first conclusion they make is that the global warming or warming of the global climate is not in doubt. It is clear, it is unequivocal, it is happening, and it has been increasing since the 1950s and has been worsening at unprecedented rates. And it is important that as financial regulators and all stakeholders, we pay attention and do something about it. The second conclusion that the report made is that greenhouse gas emissions caused by human and industrial activities is the major cause of this warming of the global climate. And so there's the need to pay attention to the greenhouse gas emissions and activities that cause it. The third conclusion that the IPCC fifth report makes is that continuing emissions of these greenhouse gases will cause further global warming, which will bring severe, widespread, and irreversible damage to the environment and to humankind. These may seem frightening, but these are real. These are based on studies and assessment done by the IPCC. And therefore, this goes on to add to the imperative for us as insurance supervisors, financial sector operators, to do something about the situation.